On today's video, I'll be doing a Let's Play It series. So I'll be showing you how to play Wing Commander Privateer on Dosbox 0.74. So let's begin. So if you don't have Dosbox already, you can go to Dosbox's website and you could download and install Dosbox. You could select the operating system that you have for your machine. For me, I have Windows, so I selected this. I just installed it a while back, and you just install it on your computer, and that's it. And also, you have to get the Wing Commander Privateer game. You can find it on archive.org. I'll leave this in the video descriptions below. You could get it here. So it's this one right here. Just get this one. Download it and unzip it to a folder. And you'll need this as well, the Quadrant map to play Privateer. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do after you install Dosbox 0.7 is go to Program Files. It could be here or there. For me, it's right here. Program Files x86. Let's go to Dosbox. I want to send this to the desktop. And we'll want to send this to the desktop as well. That's it. These are the two icons we'll need to play the game. The first thing we must do is we must go to options and set it up. You could leave everything as it is, but for the purpose of this video, I have to run this game on Windows mode, or my DVR is going to have some problems with the audio. So you could leave the screen settings like this. If you want full screen, you could put this to true, or you could put the resolution on here. Just put true here. It should be true by default. Original resolution, but I send the Windows resolution, screen to 1024 by 768. Output to OpenGL. The video should be fine. You could just leave it at default settings. Core, I recommend that you set it to at least. I don't think it matters. Just set it on auto. CPU Pentium, I set it to Pentium. Cycles auto. Cycle up, cycle down is 1000. So if I need more speed, I can press Control F11 when I'm using Dosbox to increase the speed. Control F12 is to increase the speed. Control F11 is to decrease the speed or cycle down. The things you'll need to know what this is to install the game. So I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to copy and paste that there. Scroll all the way down. So I have to mount the hard drive that I want to use. So for me, it's in this is where I mounted my hard drive to. So you just put mount C, and then I'm going to paste that there in that directory. Paste. That's all you got to do. Mount C is a command. This is where you're going to mount. This is where your hard drive is going to be. And I set it to C drive so it goes directly to the hard drive. We don't have to do that if you don't want. I won't for the purpose of this tutorial. So the next thing you have to do is use a command called image mount D. to mount the CD. You have to do this with image mount D. I have to specify where I'm going to put these quotations and put where my stuff is located, my game. So my game is located here. So I'm going to copy that. For you, it could be anywhere. You could put it wherever you want. It doesn't matter. I'm going to paste that in there. Backslash again. This is a file. I'm going to press F2. Copy that. Paste. I think this is a .iso file. -t ISO. That's the last command that we have to put in there. How do I know this is an ISO file? Because when I go here, go to properties, it shows that type of file is .iso. That's how you know it is. It could be .cue as well, depending on what it is, depending on the file. Okay, that's it. I think I can run the game now. So I'm going to exit here, just X out of there. Now I'm going to start Dosbox. Let me move this. Let me show you something. Control F12, I said, is to increase the cycle. And that's right here. That shows up right there, actually. But you know what? This cycle is too low. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set it for this game. We're going to set cycle to 17,000. I think that should be adequate, so I don't have to make any adjustments now. So what I want to do is I want to install Wing Commander. So I'm going to go to D drive, dir asterisk. This is wildcard.exe. Okay, these are the exe files that we have installed. Select the music card. Sound Blaster Pro 16. The IRQ here is 7. Select speech. Sound Blaster 16. 220. IRQ is 7 again. DMA channel is 1. Okay, now it's going to install that. I could be more specific of where I want this file to be. So I'm just going to delete that. I'm going to go back and install it, specify it. Got to redo this again. Change directory. I want to check my directory and see where I'm going to put it. Okay, so I'm going to call it simulator. Call it privateer. I guess it doesn't matter. We'll just do this. Install these options. Yes. To run it, see what we have here. PRAIV will be the command that you type to install it. Now it's running. Let's enter. What I want to do here is I want to go to options and select mouse. You could change other parameters here if you want, but I'm not going to. Start the game. Now the game's running. In this part, I'm going to show you how you can play the game. This is the bar. You can go to talk to the bartender.
Good. We could use some more flyboys hauling cars. There's been a shift. Haven't seen radioactive ores. I guess. Well,
You could kind of like get tips from this place if you go to the bartender. Every planet or space station has one of these. Go to commodities exchange. So what I want to do is I want to be a trader right now. So right mouse button is to buy all of it, which I did. So I'm going to buy all of that too. Here's a ship dealer. You could repair your ship and you could buy equipment for it. Right now I don't have enough money to buy it. I only have 24 credits. You go here to the software booth and buy whatever software. If anything is damaged, you could have it repaired as here as well. Launch. Press N to get to the navigation map. Gonna go here to do some trading. Escape to get out. G is to select a gun. Okay. Exit the game, it's Alt X. That enables you to exit the game. So let's see. On the next part of this video, I'm going to show you how to play the game. Playing it from the start is going to take way too long. I did save some games, and I'm going to show you how to play it from there. So I think that's it. So anyways, I showed you how to run the game. You could get the manual for the game. I think they also have it at archive.org. Or you could find it on Google somewhere. So anyways, if you have any comments, you could leave them in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. And to get the mouse out of Dosbox is Control F10. So I got the mouse out like that.